Hi students, welcome back to the class 5. Example, if sine of theta plus I phi equals cos alpha plus I sin alpha, then prove that cos square theta equals plus or minus sin alpha. It is given that sine of theta plus I phi equals cos alpha plus I sin alpha. This is sine of A plus B. Sine of A plus B is sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Same, sin theta cos I phi plus cos theta sin I phi equals cos alpha plus I sin alpha. Sin theta cos I phi is cos hyperbolic phi plus cos theta sin I phi is I sin hyperbolic phi equals cos alpha plus I sin alpha. Now equating the real and imaginary parts, sin theta cos hyperbolic pi equals cos alpha. Cos hyperbolic pi equals cos alpha divided by sin theta. Cos theta sin hyperbolic pi equals sin alpha. Sin hyperbolic phi equals sin alpha by cos theta. Now consider cos hyperbolic square phi minus sin square hyperbolic pi equals, the value of this one is cos alpha by sin theta whole square minus the value of this is sin alpha by cos theta whole square. We know that cos hyperbolic square pi minus sin h square pi equals 1. Cos square alpha by sin square theta minus sin square alpha by cos square theta 1. Now take LCM. LCM is sin square theta into cos square theta. Cos square alpha into cos square theta minus sin square alpha into sin square theta. Cross multiplication. 1 into sin square theta cos square theta is sin square theta cos square theta equals cos square alpha cos square theta minus sin square alpha sin square theta. Now replace sin square theta by 1 minus cos square theta into cos square theta. Cos square alpha is 1 minus sin square alpha cos square theta minus sin square alpha. Sin square theta is 1 minus cos square theta. 1 into cos square theta minus cos square theta into cos square theta cos power 4 theta equals 1 into cos square theta minus sin square alpha cos square theta minus sin square alpha minus plus sin square alpha cos square theta minus sin square alpha cos square theta plus sin square alpha cos square theta cancel. We have cos square theta minus sin square alpha. Okay, cos square theta minus cos power 4 theta equals cos square theta minus sin power 4 alpha. Cos square theta get cancel, minus sin cancel. We have cos power 4 theta equals sin square alpha. Cos power 4 theta can be written as cos square theta whole power square equals sin square alpha. Cos square theta equals plus or minus sin alpha. Note, tan of x plus y equals formula tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x into tan y. Second formula, tan of x minus y equals tan x minus tan y divided by 1 plus tan x into tan y. Okay, express secant of x plus iy into real and imaginary parts. Okay, consider secant of x plus iy equals 1 divided by cos of x plus iy. Okay, multiply and divide by the term 2 cos of x minus y to this one. 2 cos x minus y, 2 cos of x plus iy cos x minus iy. Okay, 2 take it outside. Cos of a minus b, cos x cos iy plus sin x sin iy whole divided by, this is 2 cos a cos b. The formula is cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b. 2 cos of x plus iy cos of x minus iy is cos of x plus iy plus, this is a, this is b, a plus b, plus cos of a minus b. Okay, 2 cos x cos iy is cos hy plus sin x sin iy is I sin hy divided by cos of x plus x cos 2x, these two terms cancel, plus x sin x cancel, iy minus minus plus iy, cos 2iy. 2 cos x cos hy plus I into 2i sin x sin hy divided by cos 2x plus cos 2iy is cos hyperbolic 2y. Okay, next 2 cos x cos hy divided by this one, cos 2x plus 2 cos h2y plus I into 2 sin x sin hy divided by cos 2x cos h2y. This is of the form a plus ib. Next, express sin h of x plus iy into real and imaginary parts. Consider sin h of x plus iy equals sin hx cos h iy plus cos hx sin h iy equals sin hx cos h iy is cos y, cos hyperbolic iy equals cos y plus cos hx sin h iy is I sin y. Okay, equals sin hx cos y plus I cos hx sin y equals a plus ib form. Next example, if x plus iy equals tan of a plus ib, prove that. First question, x square plus y square plus 2x cot 2a equals 1. Second one, x square plus y square minus 2y cot 2b equals 0. Given tan of a plus ib equals x plus iy, and we can write tan of a minus ib equals x minus iy. Consider tan 2a equals tan of a plus ib plus a minus ib. Add and subtract ib. Okay, tan of a plus b form, tan of x plus y form, tan of a plus ib plus tan of a minus ib divided by 1 minus tan of a plus ib into tan of a minus ib. Tan of a plus ib is x plus y plus this is x minus y divided by 1 minus x plus y into x minus iy. X 2x 1 minus a plus b a minus b form, a square minus b square form. A is x, b is iy. Okay, I square value minus 1 minus minus, this becomes plus. Tan 2a equals 2x divided by 1 minus x square minus y square. Next, cross multiplication. 1 minus x square minus y square equals 2x divided by tan 2a. That is 1 minus x square minus y square equals 2x tan. Reciprocal of tan is cot 2a. Therefore, 1 equals x square plus y square plus 2x cot 2a. Second question, tan of 2ib equals, this 2ib can be written as add and subtract a. Tan of a plus ib minus a minus ib. Tan of x minus y formula, tan of a plus ib minus tan of a minus ib divided by 1 plus tan of a plus ib into tan of a minus ib. The value of this one is x plus iy minus, this value is x minus iy divided by 1 plus x plus iy into x minus iy. X cancel, iy minus minus plus iy, 2iy divided by 1 plus x square minus iy square. 2iy divided by 1 plus x square, I square value minus 1 minus minus plus y square. Tan 2ib equals 2iy 1 plus x square plus y square. So 1 plus x square plus y square equals 2iy divided by tan 2ib. 2iy divided by tan 2ib can be written as I tan hyperbolic 2b. 1 plus x square plus y square equals 2y, I get cancelled, 2y divided by tan hyperbolic 2b. 1 plus x square plus y square equals 2y, reciprocal of tan, cot hyperbolic 2b. Therefore, x square plus y square minus 2y cot hyperbolic 2b plus 1 equals 0.